cursive lowercase g. This will look familiar because you just practiced the Q. There's only one minor difference. Over curve, down curve, under curve to connect, slant, stopping halfway into the line below. Now you're looping back, which means go left. And then you have an over curve, which means you're going at that diagonal angle. Over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, loop back, over curve. Over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, loop back, over curve. Over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, loop back, over curve. Since I'm going halfway into the line below, I'm going to go ahead and skip that line for purposes of practice. We have the word egg. E, G, remember we're going left. Over curve leads right into the next G. When you finish off a word and it ends with a G, your tail at the very end, or that over curve at the very end, does not need to be as large as it is when it's just that single practice. Have the word dog, D, O, connect up top, lead straight into that G, and then you finish off at that diagonal. Going, G, O, I, connecting up top, two humps in the N, G, that diagonal over curve with a shorter tail, come back, dot your I. Try to be consistent with your letters. I'm about halfway into the line below on both of those G's. And then gone. G, diagonal cut all the way across, O, N, E. With continued practice, you will see that flow of the loop back when you go left, that it does need to connect across at the diagonal angle. Practice a few G's in a row. G, G, G,